Hi everyone, and today I'm excited to announce the release of my latest course, which is to deploy a Django web app with Apache, Amazon EC2 and CI CD. So in this course, we're going to learn a lot of technologies in the process, but of course the main thing, as we can see here, is to get our Django application on an Amazon EC2 instance, setting up our Apache web server, and then setting up automated deployment with a custom CI CD pipeline by integrating various tools such as Git, GitHub, code build, code deploy, code pipeline, etc., and a lot of other specialized services as well, such as AWS Secrets Manager to ensure everything is securely stored, and a lot of additional technologies as well. Now, there is a lot of things that is going to be utilized in this course, and I advise you just to read the description on the Udemy page just to get some more information and the like. I will be sure to attach a coupon link in the description below, which will be active for 5 days, and that's going to ensure that the course will be available for $9.99 for 5 days. So that is also available to you as well. So just something I wanted to mention. But in any case, I have composed a short video which I will add in just after I just finish explaining here the basic details, which is going to give you some more information in terms of the services that you'll use, etc., and the like. But anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to mention. So I just wanted to announce the launch of my new course. And as always, thank you for support. And yeah, that's it. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Deploy a Django web app with Apache, Amazon EC2 and CI CD course. My name is Arno, and I will be your instructor for this course, so let me take you through it. Now, of course, we will create a very simple Django starter project, which we will then deploy on AWS, but let me take you through the process at hand. So once we've created our simple starter project, we are going to ensure that we connect our database with a production database on Amazon RDS, and it will be based on a Postgres engine. We will then make sure that we push our source code to GitHub in a private repository. We'll also handle our environment variables, and we're going to utilize Git to push our source code to GitHub, so we don't need to copy and paste individual files. We're then, of course, going to deploy our application on an EC2 instance with Apache, and this EC2 instance will be Linux-based, and it's, of course, going to work on the Ubuntu operating system. After deploying our application on EC2, we are then going to focus on the automated side of things, and that's going to involve orchestrating a code pipeline where we're going to focus on staging our source location. That will, of course, be from GitHub. Then we're going to focus on building our application with AWS Code Build. And then we're going to ensure that we have automated deployments, and this is done automatically with Code Pipeline. And then to orchestrate our entire process in terms of deployment, we're going to utilize Code Pipeline to orchestrate this entire structure for us. So all of these mini services you see here work in one shot on its own without us having to manually redeploy and refer to GitHub and Git to manually push updates to our EC2 instance every time. We're also going to learn how to create a secret with Secrets Manager, and this is going to help to secure our environment variables even further by creating a secret that will be composed of several key value pairs, i.e. our environment variables and the associated values. So going a step further, we'll of course learn how to register a domain name with AWS Route 53. And to provision a free SSL certificate, we're going to utilize certbot. Alright guys, so that's just a bit of a preview as to what to expect in this course. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in this course. Goodbye.